Hello and welcome to Alphaletz and our new version 7.8, which is released on Friday, May the 12th, 2023. And please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get updated when all the new releases and updates come out. As the financial tax year has just ended in April, this update is really focused on making reporting much easier. First thing you'll notice is the changes we've made in Smart Reports, with some new drop-downs here along the top. And if you want to create reports for other people or statements, you can do that really easily in our system too. So let me start by running a report for the last financial year. You can see that we've already pre-selected that in one of the drop-downs, but if I don't see the exact data one, I can click on the filter here, click on this top section, and then select any specific dates if I want to run a report for a different period. Then I click on Generate Report, click on the Export button, and you'll see this new pop-up with two new reports at the top of the page. One is a detailed breakdown by property, and one is a breakdown by month and by category. All I do is I click on the Export button here, and within a split second it's generated the report in the background. And here you can see the new report format. At the top of the page is all the income, then the expenses, and each property is detailed and subtotaled as you scroll down the page. At the bottom of the page you can add your general expenses and your capital expenses if you have them, and then you can see that the whole report is totaled up at the bottom. We even summarize everything by profit and loss as a percentage of your total portfolio down at the bottom, so you can see the exact health of your business detailed and summarized by property. The other new report we've added is the ability to export your data by category and detailed by month. So I repeat the process, click Export, and in a split second my report has been generated in the background. So I click on the Excel icon here, and here's my new format report. Across the top here we have the detailed rent month by month and summarized accordingly. Underneath it we have our operating expenses, and summarized again with my net rental income here highlighted in green. If I've created my own categories, they'll be shown in the User Defined Expenses tab here, which is really useful if you want to set up your own expense types and track lines separately. Smart Reports also acts as a really powerful search engine. Whatever type of income or expense you're looking for, just type it in here and the system will find it for you. Next on the list is our new Persistent Bank View feature. If you've linked multiple banks and multiple sub-accounts to the Alphaletz system, you may find that there's one account that you use in particular more than all the others. So when you flick between screens, like if I flick here between the dashboard and then I come back to the bank accounts, you'll see that it returns me to the account that I was just working on. Similarly here, if I select a different account, I scroll to a different screen and I come back, the system returns me to the very screen that I was just working on. Really useful and another little time-saving feature. Next is the mobile app. Please make sure you're on version 5.8, which is now available for download. As well as squashing some bugs and improving the performance, we've also added a new feature. If you click on the rent scheduler, you'll see that we've added the new buttons here. These are the same buttons that you'll find in the web app, and everything syncs up perfectly. We're also always looking for ways that we can save you money, and one of the ways we can do that is by finding new partners to put in our marketplace. So now if you scroll down and you look for View Products under Tax Planning and Mortgages, you'll see a new partner in here under Accountancy. Click on that, and now we've found a company that will do your company accounts and tax filing for a single charge of £299 plus VAT. They're an exceptional company. They have over 20,000 customers and over 4,000 reviews on Trustpilot, which are all 4 and 5 star. A really impressive company. And speaking of reviews, it would really help us too if you could leave Alphaletz a review. It really helps us and of course our users when they're looking at a new system. I really hope you enjoyed the video and watch out for our next update, which will be out in about 6 to 8 weeks' time.